I bought this Philips pasta maker on Black Friday sale last November, but I was too intimidated to use it. It is actually so simple once you understand how it comes apart. Here I started with taking the lid off of the mixing chamber. Then I unscrewed this front cover. By the way, I'm Dr. Desai, a culinary medicine doctor. My goal is to help you feel lighter and less bloated without giving up on the foods that you enjoy. For example, pasta. I am planning to use this machine to make fresh mealed pasta lasagna for my 40th birthday dinner. If you want to see the full fresh pasta demo and how I am making my birthday lasagna, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And that white part was actually an attached disc. I could not take it out, so I removed the whole thing. Then I removed the mixing rod from the mixing chamber. All these detachable parts are washable, so I put them in a big stainless steel bowl so I could wash them. It comes with this water measuring cup and some cleaning tools and a different disc for different pasta shapes. So I washed everything well with warm soapy water and dried everything. This part comes out, which is a storage for the different pasta dyes. I washed that one as well, and this part I just wiped with a wet paper towel. These are all the cleaned and dried parts which are ready to be assembled. So I just figured out how to arrange these dyes in this holder. They have given slots in there where you can put the dyes properly. And then this whole thing goes inside the machine and stores very well. Then I started with attaching the mixing chamber into the machine, followed by the mixing rod, which you can attach into the square slot at the base of the machine. Once that was in, then I attached the disc holding part. At that point, I realized that that was the disc which was already attached, and I figured out how to get that out, as I wanted to attach the dye for the lasagna. I cleaned the water that was left there with the paper towel and then finally attached the dye of my choice. If you found this video useful, then please share it with your pasta loving friends and family. And comment below if you have any questions regarding this process. Then I screwed the final part in, which keeps everything in place. Now all I needed to do was to put the mixing chamber lid on the top. And finally, my pasta maker is all set to make some yummy fresh mealed pasta. I am so excited to see you all in my next video.